What are you doing there, Trace Green?
I'm putting on this hose.
What hose?
For the gas tank.
Okay. Is that your pressure side or your return side?
I think it's my pressure.
Yeah. How much pressure does that usually take?
50 pounds.
About 50 pounds. Actually, I think it's like 44 to 47 or something.
Well, his old truck only takes 7.
Yeah, Papa Smurf only takes about 3 to 7 pounds of fuel pressure. And you've got a throttle body injection system on this guy that takes a little more. So I'm gonna do a time lapse. You got anything to say?
No.